barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, the hostess with the mostest, and welcome to another beautiful day. Today is Friday. You're going to see this video tomorrow on Saturday, and I wanted to let you guys know that I don't have anything planned for today. I don't have nothing planned for this video, so it's probably going to be a little all over the place. I'm not going to lie. It's actually nice out right now. It's about 5:30 at night. Yeah, about 5:30 at night, and I don't have anything planned. It's been kind of a busy week, but I don't have anything planned for it. I do have stuff for this weekend. I have videos that I want to shoot this weekend, but I just don't have it ready for you right now. But I need to get a video up because I want to post on Saturdays. I want to keep with my schedule. So the video's going to be a little all over the place. I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to be a little weird. The first thing I do want to do is I'm going to go out here. I need your guys' help, okay? I need your help, and be honest with me. I built my little half wall out here. I know you guys, some of you probably seen this before, but I built my little half wall, and I want to paint it. I did, you know what, I tell you what, let's go outside, let's go out here and talk about it for just a minute. This is the problem. This is what I'm dealing with here. This, if you haven't noticed, this is white. Like, I don't like this. Some of these holes that went filled in, and I want this wall to look better, so I want to paint this wall. If you can tell up here, I went ahead and burnt this. It's kind of, doesn't look good on camera, but it's actually burnt. I did the burn effect on it. You see it there? Is that better? Okay, so I burnt this wood, and I cleared over it, but I want to paint this to match, or at least look better somewhat. I mean, this post is white, my walls are blue, my trim is white, so I guess I'm going to try to paint it blue. I don't know. What do you guys suggest? I got some paint in here that I'm going to try real quick. I want to see what it looks like. We're going to paint a little piece in the corner there and see what it looks like. So let me go grab that paint real quick, and we'll paint it. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I don't know if you can even tell. That's a lighter, basically it's a lighter color. It's a lighter color than this, but it's still kind of a blue. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I paint it black? I mean, should I leave it white? I don't know. I'm at loss. I don't know what to paint this, and I want to get this done soon because I want to just be done with this wall. So tell me, what do you think I should paint this wall? What color should I go with on my wall? Okay, so anyway, that was the biggest question I had. I just want to know what color to paint my wall. So just let me know in the comments. I know it's nothing crazy, but so anyway, I'm gonna go inside right now. I'm gonna start supper, and I figure why not take you guys along. I mean, that's what we're here for, right? Food. I'm a food person. I like food, as you can tell. So anyway, let's go inside. Let's get supper started. Well, can't start dinner without a good drink. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's all I have. I made that awesome dinner. It was pretty good. It was balsamic pork vinegar something. I don't know. I don't remember. Apricot balsamic apricot. I don't really know. I don't really remember what it was called. But it was from Hellofresh. It was just another one of those Hellofresh meals. I really like the Hellofresh. It actually gets you into the kitchen, gets you cooking, and that's pretty cool. I like that. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. at NewbieQ2020 and TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And I do appreciate you guys being here. Like I said, I apologize. This video was kind of all over the place. This was all last minute, really last minute, but I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.